guys, I'm gonna be making a new video probably this afternoon, and it might come out today or either that or tomorrow. But what I really wanted to show you guys is I can do videos on my Isopod enclosures. I have this one, which this is my biggest one actually, but the numbers have gone down a lot since I started about 2-3 years ago. But I also have some inside. I have dairy cows and orange powder cream, I think they're called. I also had a jumping spider, but she escaped. But before she left, she had eggs, and they actually just hatched, but they're still in the egg sac. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna have to redo the bin. It's not the best looking right now, but it's only them in their little egg sac, so I'll try and get a little bit of a view. I have some pictures, but they're really hard to see. Let me zoom in. You can kind of see them in there. Back. Alright. Didn't have a moss culture, but the stray cats got into them. So I'm gonna have to make a new one and clean this up. Alright, here are the dairy cow isopods. As you can see, I have these over a year now. Hold on, let me move it to the light real quick. I do need to water them. It's getting dry in here, but they were getting pretty big. I've had them, well, the babies have been here for maybe 2-3 months. So, still waiting on them to grow up. There goes one there. It's a springtail right there. There's a bigger one. Go get my orange powder cream ones real quick. Bother them too much, so I should be able to get some flips in. This is a newer one. I got this in March this year, so there's not that many. But they did have babies, so I'm hoping we'll see more of them soon. Here's a orange one right here. These aren't really good for handling. So there's one there. Let's flip this one. Lots of springtails on this one. There's a baby there. But anyway, you guys let me know in the comments if you want to see more real life videos or even just my isopod or jumping spider enclosures. I can probably do videos on that as well. Oh, I need to see this. this rock, and I haven't filled this rock actually since I made this. So there's quite a few under here, as well as the springtails, of course. And if you guys want, I can also make a tutorial on how to make a good enclosure for these. But if you guys want a video on that, let me know in the comments also.